We're going up. It's homecoming. We're going to give y'all a show to remember. Let's do it.
You got one shot, baby. All you got is today, number 10.
Great day for football here in the Queen City. It's homecoming for the 49ers. They take on the Hilltoppers of WKU. They take the snap back to throw. Long down the middle. It's going to be intercepted by the 49ers. With the football, Juwan Foggy, he's across midfield, near side, out of bounds, inside the 40-yard line. And hand it off to LeMay. He's got some running room. He's got a first down inside the 20, down the left sideline, 10-5, diving for the end zone. Is he in? Touchdown, Charlotte. 35 yards, Benny LeMay.
Let's go! Let's go!
There you go, Sheriff's quarterback sneak, Sheriff's into the end zone. Touchdown, 49ers. 2 of 3, here's Benny LeMay again. Stands on his feet, LeMay to the end zone. Touchdown, Benny LeMay.
Play action looking right, throws outside, intercepted by Juwan Foggy. That's his second one today. Another big play by the defense.
So hand it off again to Aaron McAllister's got some room to the outside. He makes a nice cut. Aaron McAllister, touchdown, Charlotte. Jeff Gebel, wearing number 49 today, recovers the fumble as Shanley just lost it. Sheriff's gonna throw. He's got time, fires near side. That's caught by Rico Arnold, spins away, Arnold, touchdown, 49er. Evan Sheriff's his first touchdown pass as a member of the Charlotte 49ers.
There's no let up in this coaching staff, in this football team, and they really put out one of their best performances of the season.
Homecoming dub. Homecoming dub. Set the gold standard tonight, man. Homecoming win. Can't ask nothing better than that.